Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Shelby GT500 made by Solido at a 1/18 scale. It's a new color release for the 2024. This model is metallic and features opening doors and functional steering. As I mentioned, this is a new color combination released from Solido this year. We have it in red with black stripes. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights. Also have the two headlights there in the center. We have the Shelby logo there, and also we have this chrome bumper as well. We have the two black stripes on the hood and also on the rest of the car. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. We even have the Goodyear written on the tire. Also we have the Shelby logo there in the center. Next we have the GT500 stripe with black. We also have the Shelby logo there on the fender. And the wheels in the back have the same are the same as in the front. Next in the back we have the Shelby logo there. Also we have the Shelby there as well. We have the California GT500 license plate and the two exhaust systems, and also we have the stop lights, which look pretty good, but you can see the mounting points. I think this is also an old mold. They quite used it. We have a few variants of the model in the few different colors, so the build quality, I think it's not as good as the latest model from Solido, but still the model it's pretty heavy and looks pretty good. Underneath the model we have the exhaust system that goes all the way to the back, and a few details here on the rear axle. Let's open the door to see the interior as well. The interior looks pretty good. I'm not that big. I'm not a big fan of the steering wheel with that chrome, but still the interior looks decent. I have the gauges there. Also, you can see it better on this side. We have the fire extinguisher between the seats. Also, we have the gear lever. We have a Shelby logo there on the dash as well. Overall, I think it's a nice model to have if you are a Ford collector or a Shelby collector or a muscle car in general, a fan of the muscle cars. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. I have to say the color is pretty good and the color combination is pretty good. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.